사막을 걷고 있는 정복자와 소년. 그는 병 속에 들어있던 지도를 꺼내 목적지를 살핍니다. 그러고선 무거운 투구와 갑옷 등을 모두 버리고 가볍게 목적지로 향하죠. 한참을 가다 마지막 남은 물도 마시고 그러다 동그란 원을 발견. 요 장면까지를 쓰다 위스키를 한 잔 마시는 전 세계적으로 유명한 베스트셀러 작가 옴 바우먼. 그는 자신의 소설 컨키스타도르의 마지막 부분을 쓰고 있습니다. 그리고 다시 지도를 보려는데 코르크 마개가 병 안쪽으로 들어가 버려 빠지질 않습니다.
Can't end like this. Just turn away. Be still. I said turn away!
수북이 쌓여있는 장작 더미에서 통나무 하나가 옆으로 떨어진 상황. 별거 아닌 걸 확인하고 다시 위스키 한 잔 마시고 앞을 봤는데 무언가 불쾌하고 서늘한 인기척에 글 쓰는 걸 멈추고 부모님의 유품 상자를 꺼내보는 옴. 이건 부모님이 신혼여행 때 갔던 호텔의 엽서들과 돌아가신 엄마의 사진. 갑자기 무언가에 이끌리듯 옴은 부모님의 유골함을 챙겨들고 두 분이 신혼여행 때 갔던 그 호텔로 가게 됩니다. 그런데 도착하자마자 멀쩡한 염소를 아무렇지도 않게 화살로 쏴 죽인 호텔 직원 페르갈과 마주치게 됩니다.
Why'd you shoot it?
The pests. They jump up in the cars and make shit of the paintwork.
Couldn't just shoo it away, huh?
No.
I'm telling you now, Fergal, I'm not dragging that into the woods.
Shut up.
아무튼 요런 살벌한 분위기의 호텔에 들어갔는데 한 노인이 아이들에게 마녀 이야기를 들려주고 있습니다.
The evil old crone would first put the doomed traveller away before taking the lost travellers on a tour of the underworld. A hand or a claw would reach out from the dark and tear a piece from those at the end of her chain. Pluck out an eye. Peel off an ear.
아이들에게 들려주기엔 지나치게 끔찍한 이야기였기에
Who's your kids?
No,
Go find your parents. And don't talk to strangers again.
there are worse things than strangers out there, Yank.
그때 이 호텔의 지배인 말이 나옵니다. 알고 보니 노인은 이 호텔 사장님.
Bauman, have a reservation.
If you could just sign. Mr. Bowman, Mr. Bowman, Pullman City, Washington. With us for a week. Welcome.
Lock it up.
Bobby's dragging it out into the woods. Halloween party tomorrow night with live music, cocktails, costumes. Should be a bit of crack. Oh, crack is a word we use to describe a fun time here in Ireland.
Yeah, can I get a room as far away from the crack as possible? Work to do.
What do you do?
Writer.
그러자 그를 알아본 지배인.
I think my son is a fan of yours. Oh, maybe I could bring in my son's book and you could sign it for him.
No.
뻘쭘. 차갑고 무례한 성격의 옴. 이런 그는 호텔 복도에서 헤매게 되고
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Are you lost?
What does that look like?
Well, with that attitude, it looks like you can stay lost.
Okay, sorry. I can't find my room. It should be right here, but it's not.
Yeah, it's this way.
Thank you.
This is you.
Thank you.
그러다 엄마가 찍힌 사진 속 장소를 묻는 옴.
Big redwood is.
그래서 바로 그 장소를 찾고 그 오래된 나무 주변에 엄마의 유골을 정성껏 뿌립니다. 하지만 아빠의 유골은 대충 뿌리는 옴. 그렇게 부모님의 유골함을 나무 아래 두고 나오는데 페르갈이 죽이고 벨보이가 이곳에 버린 염소를 보게 됩니다. 그때
Who are those?
Jesus.
유부는 제리, 숲속 낡은 벤에서 홀로 살고 있습니다.
My folks.
Sorry for your loss. You want a drink?
I think I may need something stronger than milk.
그러자 아일랜드 전통 독주를 건네는 제리.
Yeah, that's moonshine.
If you want something to defeat the demons, not just be running from them. Magic mushrooms. Psilocybin. It's all natural. I pick, dry, grind the mushrooms myself. And I like it with goat's milk.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'll bury her. Do you know why they climb on the cars? Goats like to graze on the mushrooms as well. And when they're coming up, they go looking for reflective surfaces. Because staring into your own eyes on mushrooms deepens the trip, can be dangerous.
Especially if there's an asshole with a crossbow nearby.
Don't get me started. I've nearly come to blows with them over it.
Thanks for the drink. Don't go climbing up on any cars.
I won't.
이곳에 와서 누구에게도 곁을 주지 않던 옴이 유독 제리와는 묘하게 통합니다. 그날 밤 호텔 바에서 일하는 피오나에게 자신의 소설 결말을 알려주는 옴.
Conquistador hits the boy with the bottle, killing him. But the bottle still doesn't break.
Why would you write this?
What do you mean?
I mean, it's so bleak.
Well, it's meant to be challenging.
Well, I won't be reading it. Not if that's how it ends.
Well, a few of my novels have been turned into bad movies. When they make the movie for you, you tag on a happy ending.
Okay, well, they better.
You remind me of my mom.
그러면서 엄마의 사진을 보여주죠.
Just in the way she...
She looks happy.
My dad took that. They came here for their honeymoon. Always wanted to come back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Why didn't they?
Oh, she died a few years after that.
How'd she die?
Murdered. Shot in the face. She came home from work.
Did they catch the person that shot her?
He's too young to be punished. Should have fucking hanged him.
And your dad?
Oh, well, he turned into a monster and drank himself to an early grave.
그러면서 부모님이 묵으셨던 허니문 스위트룸이 왜 폐쇄됐는지를 묻습니다. 그러자
It's haunted. By a witch. Mr. Cobb says they managed to lock her in there years ago. I tried to convince Mal to sneak the key off Mr. Cobb so I could have a look up there,
Why do you want to go up there so bad?
see if there really is a witch up there.
What if there is? I mean, are you afraid she'll get you?
그러자 오래된 아일랜드 민담책을 건네며 이 책 기억해 두세요.
I bring some chalk.
Chalk?
If you ever find yourself being chased by a witch, draw a circle around you. Keep you safe.
그때 벨보이가 와서 자신이 스위트룸에서 마녀를 만났었던 이 얘기를 들려줍니다.
Hello?
And that's what happened.
Hokum?
Don't worry, I believe you.
그때 페르갈의 호출로 피오나가 자리를 비우자 옴에게 말을 걸어보는 벨보이.
When I saw the name, I didn't think it would actually be you. What are you doing here?
Who knows?
Tell you how much your books have meant to me. I really relate to your characters.
Well, that's troubling, seeing as those pages are populated by deeply disturbed, desperate people.
눈치 없는 사람을 싫어하는 옴.
Oh, is that what you use to keep track of all your ideas?
It is, yeah. And in fact, I just had one. Speaking with you.
그러면서 벨보이를 면전에서 모욕합니다.
Idea for a character. Oblivious charisma vacuum. Is completely incapable of reading a room.
하지만 이게 자신을 향한 조롱인 줄 모르는 벨보이는
I'm a writer too.
그치만 그에게 좀처럼 곁을 내주지 않는 옴은 스푼을 불에 달구더니
So that's a Halloween costume you're wearing.
Oh, no, I just work here to pay the bills.
Oh, okay. So you're not a writer, you're a bellboy.
약간 자존심은 상했지만
No, I am a writer. I just don't get paid for it yet. You know, it can be hard to get publishers or agents or anybody to read anything.
Sure.
And actually, I've got a manuscript in my locker. Do you mind if I ask you to take a look at it?
Nope.
Oh, why not? Ah, Jesus!
You need thicker skin than that if you want to make it as a writer.
상처받은 벨보이가 자리를 뜨자
What happened to you? What happened there?
Never meet your heroes. To bleak endings.
잠시 후 바를 정리하다 옴의 녹음기와 사진을 발견한 피오나는 이걸 옴에게 갖다 주러 그의 방으로 가고
Abby, can you open this? I know, I'm just getting a weird feeling. He's not answering.
The way he was drinking, he's probably passed out in a pool of his own piss. He burnt my hand.
Will you just open it?
Your funeral.
Mr. Bowman, you left your things in the bar.
극단적인 선택을 한 옴. 그때 지나가는 사람 그림자가 보이지만 엘리베이터 문을 닫는 옴. 병원으로 옮겨진 옴. 간호사가 나가자마자 누군가의 손길에 정신을 차린 옴. 시간이 지나고 회복이 된 옴은 자신이 극단적 선택을 했던 그 호텔을 다시 찾습니다.
Thanks very much for your time, guards.
피곤한 모습의 지배인이 옴을 알아보고
You closing?
End of season. How are you feeling?
That's all right. I just came to get my stuff.
자신의 가방과 옷을 찾으러 온 옴.
Thank you. Who found me?
One of the members of staff, Fiona. She was working in the bar that night.
Christ. She around?
No.
Well, I'd like to talk to her. Apologize. Could I get her number?
Mr. Bowman, Fiona's missing.
What do you mean?
She hasn't been seen since Halloween, and that's weeks ago.
What?
그녀의 실종은 지역신문 1면을 장식하고 있습니다.
What do they think happened to her?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, but she couldn't have just disappeared. I mean, did they searched the hotel?
Of course. And the woods.
Could she have been taken?
그러자 그는 옴과 예전에 만났던 제리를 경찰이 범인이라고 지목했다고 알려줍니다.
Fergal saw Fiona outside talking to him earlier that night.
페르갈은 염소를 죽였던 또 다른 직원.
He hasn't been seen since.
그러면서 제리의 어두운 과거를 알려주는 지배인.
It turns out Jerry disappeared after his wife died under suspicious circumstances 10 years ago. Go home, heal. I promise I'll call you myself if there's any updates.
그렇게 나가려는데 페르갈이 그날의 일을 자세히 알려줍니다.
Albie told me that Fiona made him unlock your door because she had a bad feeling. Lucky boy.
You saw Fiona talking to the man in the woods before she disappeared.
Jerry. I warned her before to stay away from him.
Yeah, Mal said his wife died under suspicious circumstances.
Well, he obviously killed her, didn't he? Why else would he be down here hiding in the woods for years? Living out of an old van.
Oh, well, now he's gone.
He'll be back. And I'll be waiting for him.
Did you talk to her that night?
Yeah.
Yeah? How'd she seem?
Well, not herself. Distracted. Sad. I think she was still in shock from having to cut you down.
Okay, what about the honeymoon suite?
What about it?
Well, was it searched? I mean, Fiona mentioned wanting to go up there,
Impossible. The gate is always locked. Mr. Cobb has the key in him at all times.
so it wasn't searched.
It's always locked. There's no way she could have possibly got up there, so...
Police talk to you?
I talk to the guards every day. My first cousins.
그러더니 노골적으로 저기를 드러내며 경고를 하는 페르갈.
So the best thing you could do now is get into your car and fuck off back to the airport while you still look like your passport picture. Safe home now.
그렇게 차로 돌아와 호텔에서 찾은 가방을 확인하던 중 휴대용 술병 속 술을 확인, 그리고 요때에 썼던 미니 쇠톱, 이걸로 피오나가 자신의 목에 걸린 줄을 잘라 목숨을 구해줬다고 생각하니 옴은 그녀를 외면할 수 없습니다. 그래서 그녀와 마지막 대화를 나눴다던 제리를 찾아갑니다. 아내가 죽은 후 숲속 낡은 밴에 혼자 산다는 제리. 밴 안에서 피오나가 갖고 있었던 아일랜드 민담집을 발견.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Fiona'd be glad to know you woke up.
Okay, well, she's missing. You have anything to do with that?
No.
Well, the police are looking for you. You're the last one seen talking to her.
궁지에 몰린 제리는 자신이 아내를 죽였다는 사실을 인정하면서 뜻밖의 이야기를 꺼냅니다.
She was very ill. She was in a lot of pain.
You know, this is Fiona's.
We were friends. She let me borrow it.
Oh, she did? Okay, well, why don't you come with me and we'll talk to the police?
No, it's pointless. They wouldn't believe me anyway.
Oh, yeah? Why? What do you think happened to her?
I don't know. But I know she's dead.
Why do you say that?
There's a cupboard in Mal's office full of medicine left behind by guests. Two nights ago, I went there to stock up. I saw her.
호텔 프런트 데스크에 놓인 호출 종이 울리자 누가 왔나 하고 살펴보는 제리. 로비엔 아무도 없어서 이번엔 프런트 데스크 쪽으로 가봅니다. 그때
What?
And the bell she was pointing to, it's an old mechanical call bell connected to the honeymoon suite. I think she was trying to tell me to go up there.
호텔이 조용해지면 스위트룸을 직접 가보겠다는 제리.
Okay, but unless you have a key, then how the hell... Ah, right, of course.
Cobb lives on the other side of the woods. I broke in.
But if he had the key, then she couldn't be up there.
No, unless someone stole it, took her up there, and then put it back without him noticing.
Right, but who would do that?
I don't know.
Okay. Why don't you give it to me? I'll go back and I'll check.
You wouldn't even get near the gate with Fergal or Mal still there. No, it has to be at night. Tonight.
그런데 위층에서 뭘 보게 될지 모른다는 두려움 때문에 제리는 옴에게 동행을 제안하고 피오나를 찾고 싶었던 옴도 그 제안을 받아들입니다.
You know all these things do exist.
하지만 제리가 본 게 유령인지 환각인지 알 수 없기에 여전히 의심하는 옴.
You really think that was Fiona's ghost that you saw?
Yeah.
Were you drinking your magic milk when you saw this ghost?
That's how I saw her. And my mind was open.
그러면서 자신의 경험을 이야기하는 제리.
My wife's spirit visited me once on a trip. She thanked me for ending her suffering. Said we'd be together again someday.
미친 사람 같다는 생각도 들었지만 죽은 아내를 다시 만나겠다는 믿음 하나로 버티는 것처럼 보였기에 그가 짠하다는 생각이 들었던 옴은
Believe what you want.
When we go up there, yeah, and we find Fiona, you'll believe it too.
And what if we don't find her? Does that mean all of this is just in your head?
그렇게 더 이상 차가 지나가지 않고 조용해지자 움직여 호텔로 들어간 두 사람.
Hey, she was kind of like this. Come on. Yeah, I'm just getting the crossbow.
What? Don't go get that. We don't need that.
Shit.
직원 페르갈에게 완전히 제압당한 제리. 그는 제리의 손을 묶고
Is there someone there?
곧 경찰서에 전화를 건 페르갈.
I have Jerry. Tell my cousins I'm bringing him in.
What do you mean you have him?
Look, I have to get on the road.
Fergal, no.
그렇게 제리를 데리고 경찰서로 가버려서 호텔에 혼자 남게 된 옴. 그런데 그때 자신의 손에 제리가 사장에게서 훔친 호텔 마스터키가 있었기에 결국 혼자라도 그 방으로 가보기로 한 옴. 먼저 굳게 잠겨있는 엘리베이터의 자물쇠부터 엽니다. 그렇게 스위트룸에 들어간 옴. 침대가 있는 방으로 들어간 옴. 욕조엔 구정물 냄새가 역했고 피오나는 보이지 않았지만 어딘가에서 누군가 자신을 지켜보고 있는 듯한 불안한 기분. 옴은 술로 그 기분을 애써 누릅니다. 그렇게 정막만 흐르는 스위트룸. 나른해진 옴은 잠이 들고 어린 시절의 꿈을 꾸는 옴. TV 앞에서 총을 만지고 있었는데 옴이 쏜 총에 맞은 엄마.
It's all right. It's all right.
누군가 봤더니 호텔 지배인.
I got a phone call from Mr. Cobb in a panic saying the honeymoon key was missing.
그러자 지배인에게 열쇠를 건네는 옴.
Where'd you even get this?
Jerry.
Jerry.
Yeah, he's convinced Fiona was up here.
Where is he?
Fergal fuckhead took him to the police.
What were you thinking?
She saved me. I wanted to help find her. I don't know.
Okay. Now why don't we just go downstairs and we'll get in trouble if we're caught up here.
All right. Can you give me a ride back to my car?
Yeah.
그때 스위트룸에서 좀 전엔 보지 못했었던 문을 발견한 옴.
You're lucky you didn't get locked in here. Mr. Cobb told me a story about a young bride locking herself in here once. Oh no, Mr. Bowman, would you please? You're not supposed to be up here. Mr. Cobb is very strict on people not coming up here. I could lose my job.
Where does this go?
There was a basement down there before it was a hotel. The entrance was lost during the renovations. There's nothing down there.
무언가 누르는 거 발견.
Oh, look at that.
There is nothing down there.
그 말을 믿을 줄 알고
No! Okay, we need to move. We need to leave. Mr. Bowman, I am going to have you arrested for trespassing if you do not leave right this minute.
할로윈 복장을 한 채 죽어있는 피오나. 그 사이 지배인은 이 방문을 잠그고 나가버립니다. 도망친 지배인과 스위트룸에 혼자 남게 된 옴.
Idea for a character. Oblivious charisma vacuum. Completely incapable of reading a room.
할로윈 밤, 프론트 데스크에서 옴이 녹음기에 남긴 음성을 듣고 있는 피오나. 그녀는 지배인과 함께 있습니다.
I thought you were going to hand that into the hospital. He's famous, you know. I bet you'll dedicate his new book to you if he wakes up.
Don't say if, Mo.
Drink your tea while it's still hot.
진짜 지배인이 준 차를 마셨고 갑자기 어지러지라더니 그렇게 그녀를 스위트룸으로 데려간 지배인은 피오나를 지하실과 연결된 작은 화물용 엘리베이터에 집어넣습니다. 그 후 이때 깨어나긴 했지만 아직 제대로 정신이 차려지지 않은 상태. 이 좁은 화물 엘리베이터 안에서 죽어있는 피오나를 보고 있는 옴. 자신의 녹음기를 얼른 가져가죠.
I know I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna leave this message here just in case. My name is Fiona Crotty. I think I'm in the basement of the hotel, but I don't know. I'm pregnant. Mal, the manager, is the father. He wasn't happy with me for keeping the baby. I wasn't going to tell anyone it was his. But he was just so terrified his wife or father-in-law, Mr. Cobb, would find out. I just can't believe he'd go this far. Put us down here. Get rid of us. It's dark, but I'm gonna see if I can find a way out. If I don't, and someone finds this message, tell my parents I love them.
이곳에 밖으로 통하는 문이 있어 열어보려고 하지만 잠겨 있어 열리지가 않습니다. 그러던 중 녹슨 나사 하나를 보게 되고 이 칼을 녹슨 나사의 홈에 끼워 돌려서 문을 열어보려고 합니다. 어떤 미세한 소리에 뒤를 돌아보지만 아무도 없습니다. 다시 작업 시작. 한편 제리를 태우고 경찰서로 가고 있는 페르갈. 이때 제리가 깨어나고 그때 누군가 보고 있다 지나가고 그래서 할 수 없이 나왔는데 그런데 방금까지 있던 피오나가 화물용 엘리베이터에 없습니다.
Hello?
저게 누굴까 하고 TV 화면을 자세히 보는데요. 갑자기
Okay, kids, we're gonna read our next letter. Dear Jack, that's me. My name is Ohm Bowman. Ohm? Okay. I am 10 years old and my mom died last year. What dies, kids? I was playing with my dad's gun and it went off. What are the two things we don't ever play with, kids? And that's right. My dad hates me now. I miss my mom. I'm scared all the time. Can you help me, Ohm? Well, Ohm, it's pretty simple. Your dad told you not to go near his gun, but you did anyway, and his wife got her brains blown out. You want help? There's none coming. You're scared? You should be. You fucking bitch!
엄마를 그리워하면서도 동시에 엄마를 죽였다는 죄책감에서 벗어나지 못하는 옴. 피오나를 찾겠다는 생각으로 스위트룸에 왔다가 자기 안에 묻어둔 가장 끔찍한 기억을 마주해 멍해 있었는데 긴장감이 최고조에 이르자 술 한 모금 마셨는데 이번엔 자기가 쓴 소설 속 인물들이 보입니다. 그때 이곳을 어떻게 하면 벗어날까 하다가 호텔의 화재 대피 안내도를 발견하게 된 옴. IQ 200의 천재 옴은 이 호텔 전체 대피 안내도를 슬쩍 훑더니 층마다 얽힌 복잡한 구조와 숨겨진 통로의 위치까지 단숨에 머릿속에 새겨 넣습니다. 그때 피오나가 녹음했던 게 떠오른 옴.
There's no way back up. The dumbwaiter button's broken. I can't use it to get back up. I can't find a way out. I'm stuck down here.
옴은 정시마다 막대기를 휘둘러 종을 치는 시계 인형의 종을 빼고 인형이 종을 칠 시각을 자신이 원하는 시간으로 맞춥니다. 그렇게 세팅하고 인형이 막대기가 엘리베이터 버튼을 누르는지를 테스트해보니 그래서 우선 엘리베이터 안에 있는 피오나부터 빼서 의자에 앉히고 자신이 엘리베이터 안으로 들어갑니다. 그 후 엘리베이터에서 내리고 보니 누군가 의도적으로 자른 전선부터 눈에 들어오는 옴. 누군가 이곳에 무엇을 감추려고 했단 느낌에 등골이 서늘해졌지만 옴은 멈추지 않고 등불 하나만을 의지한 채 더 깊숙이 들어갑니다. 그러다 전기 스위치 발견. 그렇게 가다 보니 천장 가득 기이한 물건들이 줄줄이 매달려 있습니다. 마치 오래전 누군가 이곳에서 은밀한 의식을 치렀던 흔적처럼 음산한 기운이 지하 가득 채우고 있었죠. 그리고 가다 보니 벽엔 누군가의 손자국이 어지럽게 남아 있습니다. 마치 이 벽을 긁으면서 빠져나오려고 발버둥친 듯한 흔적. 옴은 그 위에 자신의 손을 포개봅니다.
I think there's someone down here. I keep hearing something. Is someone there? Oh, God.
이곳에서 분필을 발견한 옴은 그걸 챙기고 시계소년이 막대기를 칠 시간이 곧 되자 화물용 엘리베이터를 향해 갑니다.
Hello?
그렇게 한숨 돌리고 있었는데 피오나가 아일랜드 민담책을 건넸던 요 장면 기억하시죠?
I bring some chalk.
Chalk?
If you ever find yourself being chased by a witch, draw a circle around you. Keep you safe.
이 말을 기억해낸 옴. 다음 날, 날이 밝자마자 옴의 생존을 확인하기 위해 다시 호텔을 찾은 지배인. 그런데 옴의 차 창문엔 핏자국이 있고 호텔 안으로 들어가 봤더니 프런트 데스크 쪽도 핏자국이 가득합니다. 그런데 그때
I need your help. Jesus, Jerry, what happened to you?
Oh, Fergal, it doesn't matter. I need to get up here. I need to get this open.
What for?
The American, he went up there.
Stop. He's gone.
What?
Mr. Cobb sent me out here to look for the key, and when I got here, the gate was unlocked, so I went up.
And? What did you find?
Mr. Bauman, drunk.
Where is he?
He's on his way to the airport. Well, he was too drunk to drive, so I took him down to town, stuffed him in a taxi, and sent him off.
Fiona.
No.
천연덕스럽게 거짓말을 하는 지배인, 그리고 잠에서 깬 옴. 그러고선 창문 밖을 보는데요. 자신의 차문이 열려져 있습니다.
Hey.
So you just jumped? I mean, you could have been killed.
Are you sure you checked that room? I mean, you looked everywhere.
The room's not that big. She's not there. I swear to you, I looked.
I need to see it for myself. Fiona wants me to go up there.
I'm going to have to call the guards to tell them you're here.
집요하게 방해하는 지배인. 하지만
I saw her.
Just go, Jerry. Take Bauman's car and don't come back. I'll tell them that you were already gone. Just go.
호텔에 분명 누군가 왔다는 생각에 자신이 스위트룸에 있는 걸 어떻게 알릴까 하다가 이 호텔 프런트 데스크엔 객실마다 연결된 옛날식 호출 종이 달려있다는 걸 기억해냅니다. 스위트룸 객실에서 줄을 당기면 벽속 와이어를 타고 종이 아래에서 울리는 구조. 그래서 신호를 보내기 위해 종의 줄을 찾기 시작하는 옴. 그러다
No, Jay!
그렇게 제리가 가는 줄 알았는데 다시 차에서 내리는 제리.
Jay! Jay!
I left the keys.
Motherfucker.
You all right, Mal?
No, I'm actually not feeling the best. I think I might need to lock up and go home. Hey, why don't I get the keys and I'll bring them out to you?
그렇게 끊어진 줄을 찾은 옴은
God damn it!
방해가 될 만한 이들을 모두 치워낸 지배인. 들킬 뻔한 위기를 넘긴 안도감에 지배인은 잠시 숨을 고릅니다. 그러고선 방에서 나왔는데
Jerry, Fiona used to say, never ignore when something feels off. Something feels off here, Mal.
Jerry, you have to leave.
If you dropped home into town, why'd you come back out here?
To get this refrain from my wife.
You drove all the way back out here for that.
Well, can't a man do something nice for his wife without having something to hide? Jerry, what the fuck are you doing? Key. I don't have it. I gave it back to Mr. Cobb.
Give it to me!
Okay.
순순히 열쇠를 건네는 지배인.
Jerry, please. It was a mistake. You don't know Fiona like I did. She wasn't a good person. You know, she was threatening to tell Mr. Cobb. He hates me. He's threatened to have me killed for less over the years. Just leave him. He was going to kill himself anyway.
더 이상 물러설 곳이 없었던 지배인은 모든 걸 불태워 없애기로 합니다. 비밀도 증거도 또 이 호텔 안에 들어있는 사람들까지 모두를요.
Hey! Jared! I'm in here! Get me the fuck out of here, man!
There's a small door here. I can bust it open.
Yeah.
Stay back. Fiona?
No, she's dead. Mal fucking killed her. You okay?
I live.
그렇게 제리 사망.
Don't try and leave. I mean it.
제리에게서 뺏긴 열쇠를 다시 안 갖고 나온 지배인. 열쇠를 챙긴 옴.
Bowman? Bowman! Listen to me. The hotel is on fire. There's no way out down there. I'll bring you back up with the key and we can both leave. You can go home. Bowman! Can you hear me?
때마침 지하실에 도착한 지배인.
Bowman?
열쇠가 이곳에 걸려 있습니다. 곧 죽을지도 모른다는 두려움 앞에서 옴은 엄마를 죽게 만들었다는 평생의 죄책감에 다시 사로잡힙니다. 그리고 소리 없이 눈물을 쏟아내는 옴. 그런데 그때 엄마가 나타나 옴을 따뜻하게 안아줍니다.
It was an accident. I'm sorry. It was an accident.
I know. You can't stay here.
환영이었지만 엄마의 용서를 받은 옴. 그는 주머니 속 미니 쇠톱을 꺼내고
What's happening?
나와서 엘리베이터로 가고 진이 다 빠져 쓰러져 버린 옴. 그런데 그때 호텔에 불이 났다는 소식에 달려온 페르갈. 그는 지배인을 찾다 옴을 발견하고 그를 데리고 나갑니다. 며칠 후.
How are you feeling, Mr. Bauman?
You're that bellboy.
My name's Albie. I didn't think you'd have anybody visiting you being away from home.
I'm not sure I'd have anybody visiting me there either. Sit down. Sorry. Okay, I guess I'll just get 2 scoops of vanilla.
Yeah, I work in the ice cream parlor next door as well. Yeah. This is from Fergal. He's pretty devastated about Fiona. He said if you needed anything to let him know.
Yeah, I spoke to him on the phone. Oh. You been to the hotel?
What's left of it? They found remains. Fiona and Jerry.
Mal?
His car was found outside. They're looking for him.
그러고선 진심으로 사과를 하는 벨보이.
There was a flask of whiskey in your room. Did you drink it?
Yeah.
Much of it?
Well, it's whiskey. I drank all of it. Why?
I spiked it.
With what?
I had some of Jerry's mushroom powder. I snuck into your room and I put it in the flask.
Why would you do that?
Well, it was after I tried to speak to you at the bar that night. You burnt my hand. That hurt.
분명 환각지를 먹어 마녀를 본 건데 그럼 이건 대체 뭐지?
You know all these things do exist. It's just people with closed minds can't see him.
I'm sorry. You were really rude. I better go before they kick me out. One of the firemen found this at the hotel.
그건 바로 엄마의 사진.
Hey, you can take that too.
I didn't touch it.
Yeah, no, just take it.
If you wanted something to pass the time, I could bring in my manuscript.
I mean, I've been through enough already, Albie.
그렇게 돌려가면서 거절했는데도
I'll do a quick polish tonight and drop it in tomorrow.
역시 천재 베스트셀러 작가는 사람 보는 눈도 재빠르고 장화.
Oblivious charisma vacuum is completely incapable of reading a room.
하지만 큰일 겪고 변한 옴.
Alright.
그 후 엄마의 사진을 보는 옴. 자신을 평생 버려온 그 얼굴이 이제는 용서의 얼굴로 다가옵니다. 그러자 자신의 소설 마지막도 끝내 고쳐 쓰기 시작하는 옴.
I said turn away!
소년의 머리로 병을 깨뜨리려다 마음을 바꾼 정복자.
In here. As hard as you can. You understand? You don't stop for blood. You don't stop for bone. You keep hitting until it breaks.
그렇게 말하고 병을 소년에게 건넵니다. 그런데 자신을 부술하던 이야기가 끝내 서로를 끌어안는 이야기로 바뀌는 순간 옴은 그렇게 자기 자신을 용서합니다. 지금까지 타인을 무시했다 죽을 뻔했던 천재의 이야기를 다룬 영화 호컴이었습니다. 달콤 리뷰와 함께라면 영화도 드라마도 더 깊게 듣는 감동 보는 재미 내일도 또 와줄 거죠. 다음 이야기에서 만나요. 달콤 리뷰 구독, 좋아요.